what is this? This is John Philip Sousa. I don't know the name of it, but it's
like a presidential fanfare.
some presidential anthem, something that you'll learn in band. You'll learn it in band.
Yeah.
That's like the finale.
That's what I'm wondering.
Hey, Mom.
About
Mom, guess where our Maggie is? In between, Katie's legs.
that does not surprise me. She is buried somewhere. No, actually, probably not. Probably not. Probably not yet.
I think it's gearing up for it though.
No. It was 45. It was like 48 minutes last year. Yeah.
That'd be so cool.
It's only been half hour. They will put so many out there. You'll just
I know, that's what I was just thinking. I had to play this on the piccolo. Not easy.
so there's something by some patriotic thing for the band. I played French horn. I didn't like it either. Oh, I was about to move behind you. Don't you? Don't you even dare. Sit down and put it away. Put that away. There we go, guys. There you go. Now that's enough. There you go. Yeah. That's more like it. I didn't have a flash on. I couldn't get it. I couldn't get it.
That's okay.